Who have faithfully paid premiums to their property insurer assume they'll be covered if disaster strikes. But as I-Team investigator Jackie Calloway shows us tonight, they shouldn't be so sure if they're with one particular Florida company.
Carpet and padding damage, probably some drywall damage behind baseboards. We bought a beautiful home and it's not so pretty anymore.
Chip Furr and his fiancee Tara McElveen weren't in their Arcadia house a year when a water line underneath their bathroom sprung a leak.
Got up, noticed that we had water coming down our hallway.
They were insured for the $20,000 loss by Universal Property and Casualty Company, or so they thought.
First question, right off the bat.
Universal's adjuster wanted to know if McElveen ever had a lien filed against her.
Long time ago, got in trouble with a credit card. What does that have to do with my premium and my insurance?
Plenty, if you're insured by Universal.
When someone applies for insurance, they fill out an application. The difference between other insurance companies and Universal is that Universal's application asks for a wide variety of things about the homeowner.
Since McElveen had not disclosed a long-forgotten credit card default she'd cleared up years before filling out the application, Universal told her
they can cancel my insurance, rescind my payment, and act like I never had insurance ever with them.
Tampa consumer lawyer James Constable says McElveen is not alone.
I've seen an 80-year-old couple have their house burnt down. It was a total loss, and the claim was denied because of a lien that they unintentionally didn't disclose in their application.
The I-Team discovered that hundreds of Universal customers are threatening to sue the Fort Lauderdale-based insurer. That's more legal threats than have been made against state-run Citizens Property Insurance Corporation. Even though Universal writes fewer policies, Constable says many Universal disputes concern claim denials based on allegedly fraudulent applications.
It's not until after a catastrophe or some sort of covered loss occurs that for the first time Universal takes a look at that application.
The practice known as post-loss underwriting has not gone unnoticed in Tallahassee. The insurance commissioner levied a more than $1 million fine against Universal. Company executives who declined an on-camera interview are appealing the fine and say the appeal will address consumer complaints.
We had water coming from the wall there, plus coming out of the bedroom, coming down the hall.
Back in Arcadia, Chip and Tara hope something is done so other Universal customers don't suffer like they have.
That's what insurance is for, if something happens.
Tampa Democratic State Senator Arthenia Joyner proposed giving insurers no more than 90 days after issuing a policy to background their customers. That legislation failed, but Joyner insists she'll try again next year. I'm I-Team reporter Jackie Calloway, taking action for you.
And if you have something you'd like to have Jackie and the I-Team investigate, you can join them on Facebook or email them at iteam@abcactionnews.com.